Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, first we are using the color of black. Kids, now we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we draw the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, the next one is E. E for egg. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. The alphabet of G. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw the alphabet of I. I for eyes. Kids, now we draw J. J for jackfruit. And now we draw the alphabet of K. K for kite. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is L. And now we draw M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange, O for octopus. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is P. P for penguin. Now we draw the alphabet of Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun. The alphabet of T. The next one is U. And now we draw the alphabet of V. V for vanilla. Now we draw the alphabet of W. W for wolf. And now we draw X. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for Z. Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. First we coloring the shape of star, pentagon, square, triangle, circle, and the last one is trapezoid. First we coloring the shape of star, and now we are using the color of blue. Now we're mixing and using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is pentagon. Kids, now we're using the color of green. Now we're using green color. Subscribe to our channel. The shape of pentagon. The next one is a square. Kids, now we're using the color of yellow. And the next one is triangle. Kids, now we are using the color of black. Now we're coloring triangle. The shape of triangle. And the next one is circle. Kids, now we're using red color. The last one is trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.